Hi, awesome people. Welcome back to the channel once again. It's your girl Jessica again, and today I have another video for you concerning Nexus app I introduced earlier on my channel, which is a mining, legit mining platform where you can mine your assets, and your assets is totally safe. You can withdraw every day on this app. Just in case you don't know about this application, I'll be leaving the link to the first video I made, all right, in the description and the comment section of this video, so do well to go and check it out before you then come to this. So because on this video today I just want to add some things I didn't add in the other video, so as not to make that video too long. All right, so I'm going to be showing you how to withdraw your earnings today, and one important thing is how to receive your earnings daily. It's a daily return, so whenever you get your money daily, all right, there will be a timer there. I'm going to show you everything. It'll be a timer, so once it's 24 hours completed, you just need to receive your earnings, so it will not be swiped away. All right, so I decided to make this video and show you other things, talk about the referral and other things you need to know in this video today. So make sure you stick to the end of this video, and if you're new, welcome to the channel. All right, on this channel, just in case you don't know what this channel is all about, I bring updates and introduce sites and platform, be it cryptocurrency platform, be it any live stream platform, or any way or anything you need to know about making money, or anything that I know that brings profit to you, or that is of your benefits in the online space. I'm ready to bring it to you on this channel. So do well to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, turn on the little bell icon beside the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of this. All right, with that being said, let's get straight to the video in full. I promise it's gonna be brief. So the first one I'm going to be talking about is how to claim your daily returns from your investment. Okay, if you are new to this, if you have not registered, just go and take that the link to the first video and watch how I deposited and how I did as a new user or a beginner on the app. For today, I'm going to be showing you how to receive your return of your investment. Okay, so as we're going to click on this miner here, all right, then afterwards we're going to click on miner status. All right, as it is here, this video I already recorded a video where I received my income, so I'm just going to play that now, because I have already received today's own, okay, without recording it. So I'm going to play that now. Okay, so just immediately you click on miner status, you're going to see the runtime. If the runtime says 24 hours, that means it's complete. Then you will see that this receive icon will be in green. All right, all you just need to do is to click on it to receive. You do that every day, so your earnings will not be wiped out. I didn't say this in the last video, that's why I'm saying this now. You click on the receive and your earnings will be credited into your miner account. All right, so guys, whenever you receive earnings from your referral, your downline, so you may have referred to this app, whenever they have deposited, they'll give you, I think 15% of the person's total recharge. The person you invited, they'll give 15% of the amount that they have deposited to invest on the app. Okay, so just in case you've invited somebody and you didn't see the money, all right, it will not be in miner account, the money will be in promotion account. All right, so you may be confused and okay, I referred somebody but I've not seen the money. The money will be credited to your promotion account. All right, all you have to do, in case you just want the money to be in your miner account, although you can still withdraw from promotional account, maybe you want to claim your withdrawal, for example, you just need to change here to what promotion account. Let's say you want to claim your withdrawal. All right, so I have nothing in my promotion account, but I have money in my mining account. All right, so I'm just gonna if I want to transfer it to my mining account, if I don't want it to be in my promotion account, I'm just gonna click where I have transfer to mining, put the amount here, all right, and then your phone and your password. All right, then you just transfer it from your promotion account to your miner account. Then you can still withdraw it, just in case you don't want it to be in your promotion account. And one thing is that if you want to withdraw, another thing is that if you want to withdraw, okay, let's say you click on withdraw, for example, if you're not seeing any amount here, you can't withdraw the money you are seeing in your balance until they give you the chance to do so, because I had some amount of money yesterday and it was zero, but today after I claimed my today's dividend, today's return, I was able to withdraw some amount which they put here. All right, so you always watch out for this place, withdraw amount, they will put it here. Okay, I don't know, maybe it's that you can withdraw once in a day or something like that. So they'll put the amount here. So the amount that you put here is what you can withdraw. You cannot withdraw any other you can't withdraw greater than the amount they'll put here. So just note that. Alright, so that's basically all about the referral system and you earning some referral and how to transfer it to mining account, because if you get the bonus, it will be in your promotional account. And if you want to download the app, you have the app here. All right, I've not downloaded the app, so that's why I'm downloading the app here. So
Alright, so this is me trying to make my withdrawal. Okay, I received my first return for, I don't know if it's the first one. I should have recorded the video though. Okay, so I imputed the amount, which is 1.98. You can see there it's in the withdrawal amount 1.9800. I then imputed my fund password, then rushed to my Google Indicator app to copy the code, verification code, and after that I submitted. Okay, and I'm just going to wait for a few minutes for them to credit into my Binance wallet. So a few minutes after, I got a notification from Binance that my deposit has been successful. As you can see here, they took their 5% handling fee. That's why you're not seeing 1.98 TRX but 1.88 TRX. Okay, so guys, you can keep accumulating like that daily until you're ready to withdraw it. You can then convert it to dollars. If you don't know how to do that one, you can message me. I'll always be available on WhatsApp for you guys.
I think that's basically all. You can just continue to enjoy the Bitnexus app. Yeah, reliable and safe and secure. Your assets are safe on Bitnexus. I've been on this app for I think 7 or 6 days now, and I've been withdrawing daily, both referral bonus and although not much, but both referral bonus and my daily return. So it's not compulsory you refer, right? Referring is just for you to like have extra income. So those of you that feel that maybe if you start with 100 TRX the returns will be very slow, all you have to do is to start high. You can continue mine high. Do you get? If you feel that it's too small, you can mine high so you can get high daily. All right, but it's not compulsory you do more than your capacity or more than your capability. All right, so guys, I believe this video has been helpful to you all. Please do not hesitate to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and anticipate on all the wonderful amazing videos yet to come on my channel. And yes guys, thank you so much for 901, I think 903 subscribers. I'm so grateful. We keep on moving, we keep on progressing every day. Thank you for your love, thank you for your impact on my channel. I'm really grateful. So guys, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. I have many other things to introduce to you, many money making ideas. Just anticipate. All you just have to do is to subscribe, subscribe and you will get updates daily, legit one. I don't bring ones that I know that will not last. All right, so do not hesitate to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. I love you guys.